Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. If you're looking for very creative packages for your products, then today I recommend you with these trapezoidal shaped boxes. Please have a look at these boxes. The shape is very unique, and also it has a magnetic closure from here. It has a clip-on closure in here, which make the boxes very unique. And also we used a very premium chose gray board of up to 1200 gray board to make the boxes. And also we use a very special paper with the texture for the boxes, which makes the whole boxes looks very sturdy and premier look. And if you have any special need for your requested colors, you can always let us know, and we can do any colors that you wanted. So this is the product of the day. I hope you like it. If you have any request, please reach us, and we'll always be there.